Welcome back. I will give you some examples, more complicated examples, as I have promised. But before that, I am going to solve the exercises that you have in your book, page 78. The first is y squared plus 5x plus 4 divided by y squared minus 3x minus 4. I think this is a typo error, so I will write it so that all my expressions, all my variables are the same. So y squared plus 5x plus 4 divided by, y, 5y I should say. And then we have y squared minus 3y minus 4. Okay. As you can see, you cannot cancel when it is addition or subtraction. You need to find factors first, or you need to find so that you have multiplication instead. So if we factor the numerator, have y, we have 4 and 1, and we have all positive. As you can see, 4 times 1 is 4, but 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we're finished with that. And then we do the same with the denominator. Numerator, denominator, yes. And then we have y also, y. And then we have still 4 and 1. But you can see we have negative, so we have negative 4 and positive 1. Now we're ready to cancel because this one and this one are the same, and we're ready to cancel. So our answer is y plus 4 divided by y minus 4. Number 2, you can do that yourself. We did almost similar in my previous example, previous video. So you can do that by yourself. Remember that you need to do factoring first. Okay, number 3. X squared minus 9. X squared minus 9 is a sum and difference of two binomials. So we have x minus 3, x plus 3, as we have learned in factoring in module 1. And then we have, if we can factor that also, we have 12. We have x and x, that's alright. We have negative 7, negative 4, and negative 3. So negative times negative is positive 12. Negative 4 and negative 3 is positive 12, sorry. The Swedish. Okay. And then negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. That's alright. Now we can cancel that one and that one. We have x plus 3 divided by x minus 4. Let's take number 4. By factoring, I hope we can factor that also. Yeah. M. And M. We have 5. All is positive, so 5 and 1. That was easy. And then we have all negative, so we have M. We have negative 2 and positive 1. Can it be negative 2 plus negative 2 and plus M? Yeah. And then negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Then we are ready to cancel. So our answer is m plus 5 divided by m minus 1. Number 5. Let's see if we can do that also. X, all negative, what will be? Yeah, I think so. 7 and 2, anyway, that's 14. and we have negative 5. So that means we have negative 7 and positive 2 is negative 14, and negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. That's okay. And the other one, did I write correctly? Okay. We have x and x. And then all positive. That was easy also. Perfect square. X minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Now, as I've said, I am going to give you more complicated examples or example. Like this one, as you can see now. What you can see is that you have x to all. Then you can start with that. So we have x multiplied by 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 divided by, and then as you can see here, my first term is x squared, so I can rearrange that. X squared negative x squared minus x plus 6, so that it will be easier to manage. Okay, and then x. I hope I can factor that also. We can factor this by grouping, as you have learned, but I think we can do that if we have 2x and x, and then we have 3, positive 3 and negative 1. Can that work? 2x times x is 2x squared. We have 2x times 3 is positive 6x, and then minus x. That is positive 5x. Okay, it worked. And then the denominator is a little bit more complicated because we have negative x squared. So I need to remove the negative x squared by factoring it by negative. So we have x squared first. It will become positive because of the parentheses outside, because of the negative outside the parentheses. And we have plus x minus 6. And we have x, 2x minus 1, x plus 3. And then we have negative. Now I'm ready to factor. What will be? Plus 3 anyway. I know that. X minus 2. Because 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then we have 3x minus 2x is positive x. I am ready. There you go. Our answer will be negative x multiplied by 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Or, if I don't want negatives, I have x, 2x minus 1, and I have 2 minus x. I multiplied negative with negative 2, it will become positive 2. And then negative with positive x, that's why it became negative x. So your teacher can complicate problems like this. So I hope that you learned something in this. Simplification of algebraic expression. On my next video, I will be discussing operations on algebraic expressions. So operations on algebraic expressions. Then I will be discussing all the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I will not specify them in different videos, but I'm going to make videos for those operations. See you around, guys, and thank you for watching.